What if the secret to living to 100 isn't in a pill, but in your grocery cart? Across the world, there are pockets of people called blue zones where reaching 100 is common. Today, we are breaking down the definitive list of longevity foods backed by modern science. Pillar number 1 is the humble bean. In a massive study of elderly people across 5 countries, beans were the only food group that consistently predicted a longer life. For every 20 grams of beans you eat, your risk of death drops by 7 or 8%. They stabilize your blood sugar and feed the good bacteria in your gut. Next, we focus on your brain. Dark leafy greens are packed with folate and lutein. Research shows that eating 1 serving of greens a day can make your brain function like someone 11 years younger. Pair that with blueberries packed with anthocyanins, which have been shown to actually repair damaged DNA. Chronic inflammation is the silent killer of aging. Extra virgin olive oil is a natural ibuprofen. Its polyphenols turn off the genes that cause inflammation. And don't forget your gut. Fermented foods like kimchi or miso strengthen your immune system, which naturally weakens as we age. Longevity isn't about a 3-day juice cleanse. It's the 95-5 rule. 95% plant-based, 5% everything else. By making these small shifts today, you aren't just adding years to your life, you're adding life to your years. We are building a community of people dedicated to aging backwards. Click subscribe to join the journey and comment below which of these foods are you adding to your plate tonight. Let's keep the conversation going in the next video right here.